This shit is amazing how I look outside. Glory be to Mother Nature. And I really live out here. I really live out here every day. All praise to Father God. Glory be to Mother Nature, man. This shit is just amazing looking. Like, I don't know what the fuck this is. It looks amazing. Lord of mercy. Really live out here. If you did say, yo, you wanna live outside, bro, you're gonna be stronger and look better, feel better than you ever did, and you're gonna live outside, bro. I wouldn't been like, I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. This shit is just amazing, yo. All praises, man.